Welcome to our first section, Embracing the Power of Google Tag Manager and GA4. Google Tag Manager or GTM acts as your website's command center for tags, which are snippets of code that send information to platforms like Google Analytics. GTM simplifies the management of these tags, eliminating the need for direct code edits on your website. This translates into faster implementation and less reliance on developers. Now, Google Analytics 4, or GA4, is the latest iteration of Google Analytics. It's uniquely designed for a future with or without cookies and provides a more holistic view of customer behavior across your platforms. GA4 particularly focuses on user journeys, offering deep insights into how people interact with your content. By combining these two powerful tools, you're equipped to collect and analyze website data with unprecedented ease and precision. GTM essentially becomes your control panel for deploying and managing the GA4 tag, capturing all the valuable data GA4 has to offer. This tutorial will guide you through setting up Google Tag Manager for Google Analytics 4. We'll cover each step in detail, from creating accounts to testing your setup, empowering you to make data-driven decisions using GTM and GA4. Moving on to Section 2. Step 1. Creating your Google Tag Manager account. To kick things off, you'll need a Google Tag Manager account. Head over to the Google Tag Manager website and click Create Account. You will be prompted to provide an account name, country, and website URL. Make sure to choose a descriptive account name for easy management. Next, you'll need to accept the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement, which outlines the terms of using Google Tag Manager. After acceptance, you'll receive the GTM container snippet. This code needs to be added to your website's HTML. Keep this code handy as we'll use it in the next step. Congratulations, you've now created your Google Tag Manager account and are one step closer to streamlining your website tracking. With your account set, you can move on to installing the Google Tag Manager code on your website, allowing GTM to manage your GA4 tag effectively. Now let's dive into Section 3. Step 2. Installing the Google Tag Manager code. It's time to integrate Google Tag Manager with your website. Remember the GTM container snippet you received earlier? You'll need to add this code to your website's HTML. Ideally, the code should be placed immediately after the opening tag to ensure optimal performance. If you're not comfortable editing your website's code, it might be a good idea to reach out to your website developer for assistance. It's crucial to ensure the code is implemented correctly. After adding the code, save your changes and publish your website. With the GTM code in place, your website is now connected to your Google Tag Manager account. This connection empowers you to manage your tags, including the GA4 tag, directly through the user-friendly GTM interface. Finally, we reach Section 4. Step 3. Setting up your Google Analytics 4 property. With GTM ready, let's set up your GA4 property. Head over to your Google Analytics account and click Admin. In the Property column, select Create Property. Choose Web as your property type. Give your property a descriptive name. For example, if your website is example.com, you could name your property Example Website. Provide your website's URL and select your reporting time zone. Click Create. Your GA4 property is now ready. You'll be presented with your measurement ID. This ID is crucial for connecting your GA4 property to your website through Google Tag Manager. Section 5. Step 4. Configuring Google Analytics 4 in Google Tag Manager. Let's connect your GA4 property to your website using GTM. Go back to your Google Tag Manager workspace. Click Add a new tag to start configuring your GA4 tag. Choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration as your tag type. Provide your GA4 measurement ID, which you obtained during the GA4 property setup. You can customize this tag further by adding triggers to define when data should be sent to GA4. For instance, you can create a trigger to send data on every page view, or only when specific actions occur, like form submissions. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, save your tag and publish your GTM container. With your GA4 tag configured and published, your website is now sending data to your GA4 property. Section 6. Step 5. Testing your Google Tag Manager and GA4 setup. Thorough testing is essential to ensure your data is accurate. Within Google Tag Manager, use the preview mode to test your setup on your website. This mode lets you see which tags are firing on each page and verify that data is being sent to GA4 as expected. In your GA4 property, navigate to the real-time report. This report shows live data coming into your property, allowing you to confirm that your setup is working correctly. If you see data populating in the real-time report, your GTM and GA4 configuration is successful. Testing ensures your data collection is accurate and reliable. It's an essential step in setting up any analytics implementation, guaranteeing that you're capturing the right information to make informed decisions. Section 7. Enhancing your setup with custom dimensions and metrics. While the default GA4 configuration captures a wealth of data, you can enrich your insights further by setting up custom dimensions and metrics. Custom dimensions allow you to track additional information about your users, such as their membership status or the type of content they engage with. Custom metrics allow you to track specific actions or values that are important to your business, like video views or downloads. To set up custom dimensions and metrics, navigate to the admin section of your GA4 property. Under the property column, you'll find options for configuring both custom dimensions and metrics. Defining custom dimensions and metrics gives you a more granular understanding of user behavior and website performance. This level of detail allows for more targeted analysis and data-driven optimizations. Section 8. Leveraging Google Tag Manager for advanced tracking. Beyond the standard GA4 implementation, Google Tag Manager offers powerful capabilities for advanced tracking. You can utilize GTM to track events like scroll depth, video plays, form submissions, and file downloads. This granular tracking provides valuable insights into how users interact with your website's content and features. To track events, you'll need to set up triggers in GTM that listen for specific user interactions. These triggers can then activate tags that send data to your GA4 property. For instance, you can set up a trigger to fire when a user scrolls 75% down a page, capturing valuable engagement data. With GTM's advanced tracking capabilities, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of user behavior, going beyond basic page views to uncover the nuances of user interactions on your website. Section 9. Conclusion. Unleashing the potential GTM and GA4 working together. By integrating Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics 4, you've unlocked a powerful combination for collecting, analyzing, and acting on data. GTM simplifies the management of your GA4 tag, allowing for easy customization and implementation of advanced tracking features. This setup empowers you to measure user interactions with precision, gaining valuable insights into website performance and user behavior. Remember to thoroughly test your implementation in both GTM's preview mode and GA4's real-time report to ensure data accuracy. As you delve deeper into GTM and GA4, explore the possibilities of custom dimensions and metrics, event tracking, and other advanced features. The insights you derive will guide your website optimization efforts, leading to improved user experiences and greater success in achieving your business goals.